Hi, welcome to my class with me, Miss Vera. Today lesson we are going to solve a word problem related with the fractions. Let's start. There are some colored rubber bands in a box. 3/8 of them are blue, a quarter of them are red, and 5/6 of the remainder are yellow. There are 20 yellow rubber bands. Find the total number of rubber bands in the box. Here I wrote the informations that I got from the story. Blue, 3/8 of the total number of rubber bands in the box. Red, a quarter of the total number of rubber bands in the box. But yellow, it says 5/6 of the remainder. It means left over after we took blue and red out. 5/6 of the remainder. There are two methods to solve this question. First method, by drawing models. So since blue and red are the fractions of the total number of rubber bands, so the fractions of blue and red, it has to be the same denominator. So 3/8 and a quarter we exchange with denominator 8 become 2/8. And 8 is the total number of units in the model. So I draw 8 units already. And then we just color blue, 3 units of 8, and red, 2 units of 8 units. 3 units are the leftover or the remainder. Since yellow 5/6 of the remainder and here only 3 units, so I'm going to draw another unit and divide it into 6 small units. So these 6 small units, it has the same number with 3 big units. Okay, and there are 5/6 units are yellow, and there are 20 yellow rubber bands, so 5 small units equals 220. And we can write 5 small units equals 20. 1 small unit equals 20 divided by 5 is 4. There are 6 small units, so 6 small units equals 6 times 4 is 24. 6 small units, it's the same size with 3 big units. So these 3 big units also is 24. Then we can write 3 big units is 24. 1 big unit equals 24 divided by 3 equals 8. And the number of rubber bands in the box is the total of 8 big units. So 8 big units equals 8 times 8 equals 64. So there are 64 rubber bands in a box. The second method, we are not going to draw a model. Then we have to write blue is 3/8 and red is a quarter. Yellow is 5/6 of the remainder, so we have to look the fraction of the remainder first. The remainder is 1 minus 3/8 minus 1/4. And 3/8 and a quarter, it has to be the same denominator, so 3/8 and a quarter we exchange into 2/8. 1 minus 3/8 minus 2/8 is 3/8. And yellow is 5/6 of the remainder. So we can write yellow is 5/6 of the remainder, and the remainder is 3/8. So 6 and 3 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3, 2, 3 divided by 3, 1, and then we multiply across. 5 times 1, 5, 2 times 8, 16. So yellow is 5/16 of the total number of rubber bands in the box, and 5/16 is equal to 20 yellow rubber bands. 1/16 is 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So if it's 1/16 is 4, 16/16 is 4 times 16 equals 64. So the total number of rubber bands in the box is 64. Okay guys, hope you understand.